Hey everybody, today I'm checking out this foot calf massager that I received for review purposes. Let me open it and take it out of the box to see how we can use it, okay? It's a calf massager for this side, okay? And as you can see, you get different modes, different adjustable handles, and different time setting to use it with, which I think that it's really nice, okay? Comes really well protected, which I think it's great. It's, it comes with some foam. And in this, okay? Okay, we have in here the proper main unit with its power cord. We got in here the user manual and the proper remote control. Okay, I'm going to get out of the bag. And we have several different modes of kneading, massage, and temperature control, which I think that it's really nice. The handle is adjustable, something that I think that it's great. You just press the both sides and adjust it to your liking, okay? I'll be using it like this in here. Okay, so let me show you how it works. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and sit down. First, take the power cord and place it upon the power outlet. And I'm gonna adjust it to my liking, okay? Get it like this. Okay, in here we have a set of controls, but we can also use it with the remote control, okay? That's the automatic mode, okay? And you can feel it in your calf, in this zone, which I think that it's really nice. We can activate a heating function, and we can change the way of the roll, okay? It's really nice, heating function. Okay, you can feel it really comfortable right here, and you can be reading, doing any kind of homework using it at your desk. If you are grabbing some dinner while watching TV, we can set it for different amounts of times. Okay, let me take it in here, the user manual. This foot massager features 4 simulated hand modes, 4 different rollers, and 96 nodes that replicate professional massage techniques, including kneading, scraping, rolling, and even Shiatsu massage. It comes with 3 intensity levels and adjustable timer setting that range from 5 minutes up to 30 minutes, and with its adjustable support bar, it allows you to target different places like your feet, your ankles, or your calves, and with its portable design, it's really easy to carry anywhere that you need it. It's equipped with a heating system and offers 2 different levels, a low level with intermittent heat and a high level with a constant heat. And it's really easy to use as you have a remote control for even added convenience. Overall, I think that it's nice because, as I've said, you can use it while watching TV, eating, or even in your office. And you can set it up on different angles to use it with different parts of your body. You can also use it with your hands, your arms if you want it, the rest of your legs. And overall, I think that it's really nice, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.